BBC News, Hong Kong.
Well, let's get more on this. Joining me now, Dr. Bharat Pankhania is a senior clinical lecturer at the University of Exeter. Thank you very much for joining us. Looking at the way the numbers of those contracting the virus on this ship is going up exponentially would suggest that any attempts at quarantine are failing and failing badly.
I would agree with you, and it is of concern that we have so many cases. This is unexpected, and I have been racking my brains for the last 2-3 days, watching the numbers go up and wondering what is going on. And I am concerned that could it be that there is an alternative way of transmission of this infection because of the special circumstances in which the people happen to be, i.e. on a boat, enclosed in a cabin with a circulatory system of just the air conditioning that they have. And I'm beginning to wonder, could this be implicated?
Well, that would have massive implications, because at the moment we're being told that this is spread via liquid, by close contact. If, as you suggest, there's a chance it could be contracted through air conditioning units, well, that changes the whole game in terms of combating this, doesn't it?
I must admit, this is a special circumstance on this ship. We've had something similar like this in the 2002 SARS outbreak, whereby the air conditioning systems were also implicated. I think under some special circumstances, could it be that this coronavirus is also transmitted through other means? We don't know. What is of concern, and hence the questions I'm asking, is why so many people have been infected. It sounds very unusual, considering they were put into quarantine and they continue to nevertheless become unwell. And hence, I think overall, the virus is definitely transmitted as a droplet spread. But could it be, under special circumstances, confined in a cabin over a long period of time, captive with this recirculated air system? Could this have led to the extra cases that we see on this cruise liner?
Well, it wouldn't just be a cruise liner, because if, as the UK is saying, when anybody comes back to the UK, they'll be put into a hotel. They block book a hotel at Heathrow, which presumably will also have air conditioning. It'll face exactly the same problem.
Well, yes and no. So your question is very relevant. So my thinking is as follows. The people in the hotel are in quarantine. In other words, they're not cases. But the moment they become a case, they cannot be housed in the hotel under any circumstance. Because if this is a hypothetical thing whereby the virus may travel through the air conditioning system, then it's a no-brainer that you cannot have a case in a hotel room. So I think the UK government's plans are that if you were to become a case, you will be moved to a clinical setting, not kept in the hotel room, even if you are otherwise well.
Okay, Dr. Bharat Pankhania, thank you very much for joining us. Thanks for your time.